Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, I'm going to be waxing my eyebrows today. I decided to film it because I was like, why not do a little DIY? This is not a tutorial. I just wanted to film it because I thought it would be interesting. I do not play about my eyebrows. I've been going to the same people since I started getting my eyebrows done, which was in 7th grade. And so I'll attempt to do my own. This shall be interesting. So I bought the brand Flamingo, and I wanted the Sally Hansen brand, but didn't nobody want to leave me any on the shelf. So I purchased this one from Walgreens. It comes with 20 wax strips, calming serum, and 6 post-wax strips. So this is the calming serum, and this is how the packaging looks. Cloth in it, and the wax strips. And then the instructions are actually, hold on, there's a precautionary statement.
Directions they use solely primers. First down is external, use only okay, blah, blah, blah. Okay, that's quickly.
These are the instructions. They're inside the packet. So, I'm scared, just a little bit. Before you wax, skin is subjective and waxing might upset it. Do a spot test on a small non-sensitive patch of skin first, or chat with a dermatologist just in case. And then make sure you've got the goods. Hair should be at least 1.5 millimeters long, about the thickness of a toothpick. As for your skin, it should be clean and dry. Well, I just washed my face because I'm just getting up this morning. I'm just going to read the directions as I go. So, I watched a YouTube video on someone that bought this as well, and she kind of showed me how I should like trace my eyebrow. I can kind of see my shape, the shape that I want to go for already, but it's double-sided. I meant to mention that too. So I know what I need. I need a marker. Ignore the fingerprints, y'all. I'm sorry. Anyway, I probably should have got a scrunchie too, or okay. So she got a marker and she traced. So I want to use the eyebrow scissors instead. Ooh, I know what I need to do. Where is it? Okay. Now I'm going to I guess cut it like this. I know it said do a trial run, and for me to have sensitive skin, I probably should. I think I did this wrong. I'm gonna retrace it. I ain't trying to waste no wax strip now, but while y'all are at it, you should definitely like this video, comment, subscribe, and what's another thing? Oh, give me suggestions on what I should do. Okay, there we go. Woo Chile. I know it's Woo Chow. Oh, let me get my mirror, cause ooh, I'm touching all the wax, Lord Jesus. Okay. So I'm gonna do just like my eyebrow lady and run my finger across it. Okay, I'm kind of scared. All right. And I'm gonna pull from this way. And I need to hold my skin too. Oh snap. It actually, can y'all see? It actually got the hair. I noticed in the other videos, some people complain about the stickiness. It's not as bad as I thought it would be. This looks really good. Oh my goodness. Look at that, look at that. Okay. I probably could just pluck, you know, whatever I didn't really get. Okay, I'm trying to be careful the way I put it. Like that. I mean, practice makes perfect. So if I really like, you know, get good at doing this, we're not going back to the shop. Keep my little coin in my pocket because it really does add up, because I get it done just about every 3 weeks. It's a little uneven. Yo, this stuff really works. Every 3 weeks, depending. It was a lot less frequently when I went away for school because I just had to go when I could. And I didn't allow anybody else to touch my eyebrow. I'm actually going to use the part that I messed up and cut. I am not disappointed. This brand, not this brand, when the other person was doing it, the paper kept ripping, but I'm not having that issue. I think it's because you got to be quick with it. I'm definitely going to be plucking after. So let me see if I can use this piece again. Y'all probably like, what in the world? This is actually really fun. When I go to the eyebrow shop, I find it satisfying when they wax my eyebrows. That's just me personally. Man, I'm pretty doggone proud out here DIYing it up, you know. Quarantine done brought some new things out that I actually like to do. I have a few hair tutorials I can bring you guys. Okay. I'm trying to make sure it's up there good. This is looking pretty good, y'all. Like, I'm not, oh crap, I done got the other way. Oh, that's not it. I'm pretty satisfied with this. Flamingo sponsor me. I can definitely say I like your product.
Y'all, I forgot to continue reading the instructions. But, I mean, I'm pretty much doing what it says.
To be honest, let's pray I don't mess this up, but I feel like I should just cut that part right there. I look funny doing this, so I want to be careful. There we go. It's still sticky there. I like this. I still need to clean that part up right there, but ain't nothing a little plucking can't do. I actually enjoy plucking. Okay. Hopefully I didn't put that down too far, but ain't nothing a little filling in can't fix. I don't know if I said that already, but I mean it. This is so much fun. I don't think y'all understand how much joy enjoyment I'm getting out of this. Ow. Felt that one. Yo, this got a lot.
A lot. You see? It's like the light's kind of bad, but it's really a lot up there.
No. Okay. Every hair matters. Like, you can throw your eyebrow, like, and look funny. I like this eyebrow better than this eyebrow, if we're being honest. It's thinner. Oh, Jesus. I'm not too mad, though, because this was my first time. I'm gonna do this part, too, right after.
It's something off, though. This one is skinnier now than this one.
I don't know if they advise you to continue to use this. This is when instructions come into play. So I'm gonna move on from my eyebrows. I'll come back to that after. I'm gonna wax this part. I've never waxed this area before. I always felt like it was super sensitive. So I didn't get it done, but I don't mind doing it myself because I'll get mad at myself, but I don't want to get mad at nobody else for messing up my skin. Okay, why did I do this? I regret it now. Okay. Oh, that's not lip. Okay. Just do it. Just rub it. I don't want to do that again. I don't want to do that again. It got it though. I gotta get this part down. Crap, that hurt. I can't rip it fast because it hurts. I'd rather just shave it. I don't like that. I don't like that. It's so sticky. I want to clean my face again. I'm gonna redo this part though. Oh, I forgot about the middle section I have to do. I prefer getting my eyebrow wax as opposed to getting that wax. I see why I never did it, and I don't plan on doing that again. It's probably something I have to get used to, but I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Okay. Working on that shape, it looks a little better. That got a lot. Go me, go me. Alrighty, I think we're almost done. We all have those stubborn hairs that wanna act like they don't wanna leave, but they gonna go. All right, so I have a sticky lip. So let's read the aftercare or after you wax. So it says bask in your bravery, then repeat the process on surrounding areas. Each strip is good for at least 2 pulls. I can't do more than 2. That's why you read the instructions. Take a moment to appreciate the hairless warrior that you are. Use a post-wax cloth to remove any stickiness and the calming facial serum for extra soothing hydration. Enjoy your smoothness. I want to try it. Do I squeeze it? Oh snap, that's cute. It's like roll-on. Reminds me of a roll-on lip gloss or something. I'm going to definitely get better at this. This part really hurt. It smells good too. I'm gonna get better at this for sure. Thank you guys. Let's take this down. Thank you guys for watching and, you know, tuning into your girl's video. I have more content coming. I'm gonna insert a picture at the end of like how they really how they look, you know, done up or whatever, even though I'm not putting on any makeup. But yeah, I'm just gonna insert a picture because I'm gonna clean them up a little bit with my tweezers. And yeah, thanks for watching. Y'all know to like, comment, subscribe, and leave below what content you guys would like to see. Other content you guys like. I can't talk. What other content you guys might want to see from me. Thanks for watching. Definitely forgot about my post wax cloth. So as I was wiping, it gets it off really easy. It's actually, it feels like a dry cloth with, it's oil. Go Flamingo. Y'all done did the dang thing with this brand. Did the dang thing. I know, I'm sorry. You know, it closed right there. But yes. Now we're done. Thanks for viewing. Love y'all.